Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Tanvi Educational Academy. Students, today we are going to learn ICSE Class 2 English Literature poem Have You Seen the Cuckoo Bird? Exercise. Let's see. Give meanings. First one, hidden from our sight. Cannot see it easily. Second one, raven colored, big black bird. Write rhyming words. First one, wing, sing. Second, sight, night. Third, true, do. Fourth, bird, heard. Fifth, close, rose. Answer the following. First one, what color are the cuckoo's wings? Answer, cuckoo's wings are raven in color. Second one, where is the cuckoo? Answer, the cuckoo bird is on the champak tree. Third one, why can't the speaker see the cuckoo? Answer, the speaker can't the cuckoo bird because the champak tree leaves are thick and close. Fourth one, when does the cuckoo sing? Answer, the cuckoo bird sings at night. Fifth one, what does the cuckoo say? Answer, the cuckoo bird says, cuckoo, cuckoo, I may be dark, it's true, but there is not a single bird that sings the way I do. Sixth one, has the speaker seen the cuckoo? Which line in the poem tells you that? Answer, no. The speaker did not see the cuckoo. The line that tells us is, although I haven't seen one yet. Seventh one, how does the speaker know that the bird is there? Which line in the poem tells us that? I have often heard her sing. By this line, the speaker knows that the bird is there. Thanks for watching.